In today's video, I'll be doing a full review of Factor Meal Delivery. It's a meal delivery service that I've been using for a while now. I'll do an unboxing of what you get when you order Factor meals. I'll actually show you some of the food, show you how you actually order. And yeah, it's overall a really great meal delivery service. Probably my favorite one that I've ever used. So hopefully this video helps. And if you guys want to get a discount on your first order, I'll have a link down below. You guys can use that and get an exclusive discount. Okay, so I got a bunch of different meals. Here they are. There's also another layer of ice pack at the bottom of the box, but yours might be a little bit different depending on how many meals you get. So for me, I got 6 meals, which I think is a pretty solid start. It's me and my fiance, so it's not just me eating. Otherwise, this might be a little bit too much. I don't like to eat Factor for like every single meal I have. Otherwise, it gets a little bit boring. We also love to go out to eat. Also like to make food sometimes. So just being able to have maybe one meal every 1 or 2 days for each of us, I think is perfect. It saves us a lot of time, and at the same time, you know, we're not relying solely on Factor for our meals. We can still have restaurant food, we can still make our other food, get groceries every once in a while. We don't get tired of it. So that's what works for us. If you guys are looking for like complete full meal replacement where you don't have to think about anything, yeah, you can get more meals. I'd probably recommend 2 per day. Some people might want 3 per day. It just really depends on which meals you get. And even if you eat 3 of these meals per day, you're probably still going to lose weight because the average calories for these meals seems to be between, let's say, 400 to maybe 700 calories per meal. For example, this one I got is brown butter grilled chicken and Yukon mash. It has 500 calories and 40 grams of protein and 27 grams total carbs. This is what it looks like. It always looks better after you heat it up. This is a different one. This one is Thai style peanut chicken grain bowl. This one is the cowboy burger and smashed beans. And as far as the directions to heat them, it's only microwave. You're never gonna be baking these. For example, this cowboy one, microwave on high for 2 minutes, and then if needed, cook an additional 30 seconds in intervals until it reaches temperature, and then let stand 2 minutes, and then you remove the film. It's pretty much very similar to that for all of them. This one's also 2 minutes on high, this one's 2 minutes on high. This particular one is herb cream cheese salmon. I do like the fact that there are so many different choices on the Factor website. Basically, every single week, you know, the menu changes. For this particular week, these are the ones that I chose. But for next week, I'm going to basically go to the website, choose the different meals I want. The only bad thing I'd say is since there's so many different choices, sometimes it can take a little bit of time, especially if you're just starting out and you don't have any experience with any of the meals. Over time though, you can add your different favorites. You can see what you've ordered in the past. It just makes it a lot easier for future deliveries. And yeah, overall the dashboard works really well. Factor is without a doubt my favorite meal delivery service, both for me and my fiance. So when I told her that we were restarting Factor, she was super excited because the meals actually taste really good. And for me, I like to try to prioritize getting the ones with a lot of protein. There are a bunch of different like possum ones, for example, which have maybe 20 to 30 grams of protein. I prefer to pick the ones that have at least, say, 35 to 50 grams of protein. Yeah, essentially you can basically have a different meal every single day of the week, which I love. So today's meal is going to be this herb cream cheese salmon, 670 calories, so a little bit on the high side for these meals, 36 grams protein, 17 grams of carbs. This one does have a bit more fat, 52 grams, but this is basically what it looks like. I'm going to put it in there for 2 minutes. So all you have to do is pierce this a couple times, and then we're going to put it in the microwave for 2 minutes. All right, so sorry for the lighting, but basically I have the meal right here. I like to just eat it in the container. You can also move it to a plate and it'll look a little bit nicer, but I don't like doing that. Yeah, this is the salmon. It smells amazing. I've had tons and tons of different types of meal prep. My favorite, as well as my fiance's favorite, it's always Factor. It's super, super good. Like, I'd say it's essentially like restaurant quality. Now, one reason it does taste a little bit better is because, in my opinion, there's more fat in these meals than a lot of other meal prep, but just the way it's cooked, like I feel like the steaming makes it really good. The recipes are really good. And then the quality of the ingredients is also really good. You can tell like these are well prepared and like the recipes are just solid. Because if you don't have a good recipe, if you don't have good ingredients, you can't really have good food like this. So yeah, this is my meal and I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy it. So I'll actually put a code in this video if you guys want to get a discount on your Factor subscription. Overall, I'm a really big fan of this meal prep service. All meal prep, it's not super cheap, right? You're still paying between, let's say, $12 to $15 per meal. Not as cheap as buying your own groceries and making the food, right? Of course. But for me, it's the convenience, is the accountability, because if I were to spend the $15 eating out every single day, I probably would be getting pretty unhealthy stuff. With this, you're essentially telling yourself, I'm locking in X meals per week that need to be healthy, that need to be, you know, like a piece of real meat, like basically a homemade meal, not takeout, not fast food, not stuff like that. So that is for me the biggest reason why I like Factor. It locks me into having these good, high nutrient meals, high protein meals, at least X times per week. And for anyone that's busy, right, you're gonna have days where you're gonna have time to cook, and you should cook, right? Or you'll have time to go out and eat. But you're also gonna have days where it's gonna be very, very difficult to find the time or energy or whatever to make food. That basically makes Factor on that day perfect. But yeah, that's why I like getting Factor. It's the taste, it's the convenience. The price is not bad. Yeah, you can get a discount if you guys use the link down below. It will also help to support this channel. Hopefully you guys got some value from this video and it gives you a little bit more of some insight into these meals, what it looks like, and the types of meals that you can get. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in a different video.